How y'all doing today? Welcome into the video. We're gonna have a real quick, maybe I'll say around 10 minutes. I'm just gonna actually do some tricep pull downs, and I'm actually wing it. So welcome into the video. Let's go ahead and get started. We may throw some other things into the video too. I'm just trying to get ready to get on here, y'all. Looking forward to going live with you all soon. I think we're gonna have some fun. Let's see if we can't get some. Let's see if we can't get a quick arm pump with this Tower 200, doing some regular pull downs. As we go through it, I may emphasize some areas that you want to just keep an eye on, as far as elbows close in, of course. And let's go ahead and get some of them in there. Let's go. Let's do 15 reps. We'll see how many sets we'll get into. Let's go. We're just warming up now. 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, right here, 17, 18, I done went past 15, we'll go ahead and do 20, right here, and 20. As we warm up, we'll be more strict on those, Alright then, hope y'all staying safe out there. For those of you that are first time viewers, on my channel, feel free, please like, subscribe, and share this video with your loved ones and your friends. Alright. Taking short rests, okay? Short rests. Ready? Let's get right into it. We're going to widen the arms a little bit more on this one. And let's go ahead and get that 15 out. Ready? Go. Working them arms, you want to build them triceps. Triceps are pretty much the size of the arm, okay? Makes probably double the arm, okay, of the bicep. So if you want big arms, you got to get those triceps in there. Who don't want big arms? Let's go. I think that's 8. One more. Alright, excellent. Stay in there. Woo! Alright then, anybody got any suggestions? Anything you want me to cover on my channel? Feel free to leave it in the comment section, alright? We're gonna try to open it up this year, alright? I'm thinking of doing some things where maybe I get out the box a little bit more this year. So hey, I'm not really used to being out there in the sector, but I'm gonna get on out here and make it happen. If you don't make it happen, it won't happen. Let's go ahead. Let's get this next set. Ready? 15. We'll bring them arms a little bit closer. All right. 15 reps. Let's go. I've got the gray and the black cables connected, so that's adding the 35 pounds, so that's giving us 60 pounds to work with of resistance. That's what it's doing, 60 pounds of resistance. So those of you that don't think that the Tower 200 is capable of really giving you some resistance, it's pretty tight. Let's stay on in there. Feel free to, if you want to just stretch those arms out. 1001, 1002, stretch them out. 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 1011, 1012. Hopefully we still recording. Let me see. That's so funny. I'm out here recording and don't even know if I'm still recording. Let's go. We're gonna get right back into it. Next arm. Ready? 15. Stretch it back. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008 to 15, 1009, 1010, 1011, 1012, 1013, 1014, 1015. Stay in there. All right. What's up out there? Boy, having fun. What's up out there? Tuck your shirt in. I might have to cut that out of there. Yeah, let's go on in there. Let's get that next one. Wide grips. Let's go. Wider grips. Ready? 15. And begin. Feel that burn in there. Wow. That's what we after. We after that burn. Appreciate y'all. Again, this is a quick 10-minute on the Tower 200. Seeing if we can't get a little pump on those arms, on them triceps. Let's go. Let's go ahead and get that next set with some real minimum rest periods in between. Let's go ahead for set number 5. Again, please like, subscribe, and share this video with your loved ones and your friends here at Seeking Fit. My name is Tyrone. This is where we are always trying to get to the next level, okay, of our fitness. No matter where you at, hey, we're all trying. We're trying to go higher. We're trying to get that maximum fitness level, all right, which includes strength, balance, flexibility. We want spiritual growth, we want physical strength, we want it all, okay? Let's go. Let's go ahead and get that next one. Closer grips, and let's begin. Ready, go. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Well, those of you that think this is not a lot of resistance and you're not getting a workout, try this at home. Those of you who have this Power 200, all right? You'll be surprised. Ready? 13, 14, 15. This thing will burn them arms up. All right then. Thank you for stopping in with me today while we go ahead and hit us some triceps on the Tower 200. Get these straight tricep pull downs. Appreciate each one of you for checking out the video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with your loved ones and friends. Hit the notification button so you can stay in the loop of my upcoming videos. I appreciate each and every one of you. Stay safe, all right, and stay fit. See you in the next video. Peace.